Zoom WFM has many forecasting options. Today, we are going to look at the long-term forecast. From the left-hand navigation, Forecast, from the Primary Forecasting tab, click the Forecast button, selecting Long-Term. The purpose of a long-term forecast is to look at unique daily staffing values for your future. So if I select October of 25, I want to run for 1 month. A long-term forecast should not be used for your assignment of daily activities. In order to get that daily value, I must provide my average shift length, which is 8 hours. You can use your forecasting profiles to help you move through the system faster. I'm going to have the ability just to enter my service level. I could also have chosen average speed of answer or occupancy in the generation process. Proceeding to add scheduling groups, and I'm going to select my customer service group and my help desk group. When I add those, the system will validate if there is enough data. Notice both have insufficient historical information. However, help desk data is not sufficient for a forecast and will be excluded. I will remove that option, and I'm focusing on my customer service. For a long-term forecast, we really want 2 years worth of data. If that's not available, we can function with as little as 6 months, but the accuracy is diminished. Therefore, the system provides a warning notification giving you the option to proceed or not. We will proceed. This process can take up to 120 minutes. I'm going to close that notification and it returns me here. Notice I already ran this previously, so it is already ready. The machine learning AI algorithms don't have to do the work. It's already been done, so they leverage that existing work. I come here and I see my forecasted volumes. I have the ability to see my forecasted handle time and then view my unique staffing accordingly. I could also edit this forecast even in the long term, and I have my unique staffing values by day. Notice I'm closed on the weekends, therefore October 4th and 5th there is no staff needed. And I can view my hourly pattern breakdown, which is generally your distribution of staff within the day, but your unique staff needed for that day is 6. Thank you for learning about Zoom WFM long-term forecasting.